This won't be news to you, but the world is steeped in racism and sexism. It's time for us to be seen and be heard. I'm Cynthia Pong, and I help women of color get the money, power, and respect that we deserve.
Fear of failure and imposter syndrome are the top barriers that hold my clients back from maximizing their career potential. If you do not know how to manage up, it's going to take you a super long time to get to your career goals, or you might not get to them at all. What's your leadership style? Don't tell me you don't have one. You're all leaders. Because you're going to leverage that overlap to strengthen your relationship, to communicate better, and ultimately get what you need.
I've helped clients in all different industries catalyze lasting change in their careers.
We need to arm ourselves with the tools so that we can recognize racial gaslighting immediately, but we're also going to talk about how to neutralize the threat and how to continue fighting for equity in our workplaces, because we need to. And this stuff's not going to stop if we stay silent.
White supremacy in the workplace isn't going to dismantle itself. If you're looking for a dynamic and relatable speaker to deliver DEI programming that's actually effective, I'm your person.